Hello everyone, welcome back to Redesign with Prima YouTube channel. My name is Jo and I'm a brand ambassador for Redesign with Prima. In today's video, I am going to show you a makeover of this nightstand. You can see this is the top and this is how it looks like. It's a modern nightstand, a mid-century modern piece, and we will be transforming it today into a French style furniture. So you can see it is a solid piece, but it has scratches. It's beaten up on the top and on the inside with a nice medium sheen on it. So we are going to remove the hardware first, and we will not be using this hardware. We will be using something which is more sleek and traditional. So we'll first start with sanding this piece down. I'm using a 120 grit block, and I will be sanding this whole piece down to remove the finish, the top coat that is there, so that it can be ready to take a coat of paint. So a nice scuff sanding of this entire piece. So my sanding is done, and I'm using Kirkland baby whites. They are soft and chemical free, and I'm using that to wipe down this nightstand to clean it of any residue or dust that is there from sanding. And you can see it looks crystal clear and beautiful and ready to be painted. So we are going to be painting it today after it is dry completely. So here is the look, and it's ready to be painted. For this, I am going to be layering it today, and my base coat here is a beautiful bluish gray color from Fusion that I'm using as a base coat. So I will do one coat of this color to cover the wood, and for the final look that we are trying to achieve, a French style of look, and the transfer that we are using, it's gonna be acting as a base to that. So I will give it one coat on the entire furniture piece, and this is how it looks like from the outside and inside. I am going to layer it with this beautiful color Chitayu from Fusion Mineral Paint, and I will be doing one coat to cover the base coat and leaving exposing some parts of it, so we can have a peek of those blues here and there that blends in with the details that we are going to be using later in this video. For this, I'm using a flat brush and just making sure I'm covering most of the part. This is my side, so I'm going to paint the sides, the front, the inside, and top of this nightstand in one coat of this beige color. So we have finished painting, and you can see this is how it turned out at the end. So we are ready to put on some transfer, and I'm using Dana Damask. It's a gorgeous blue transfer from Redesign with Prima, and now I can tell you that this is one of the reasons why I chose that color as a base color, because there will be peaks of that base color that matches with this transfer. So look at the pattern, it's so beautiful. We are going to cut half, like four damask designs, and that is what we are going to put on the side, so they go upwards in the upwards direction. So this is what I have, and I'm going to start putting on the side. So in one sheet I got this part of the transfer that I'm going to attach and apply. Applying transfer is super duper easy. You get a transfer tool which is wood stick, and you just rub it and slowly peel the white sheet, and your transfer is going on to the furniture. So this is how it goes, and we are applying the first sheet of the transfer. So I am at the end of the first sheet of transfer. We are almost finished, and you can see how the combination of this transfer looks on the beige color, and this is how it looks like. It's pretty. Now I'm going to take the parts of this transfer aligned to the damask design that's already there. Alignment is super easy. You can just place it on the design that is there, and there you go. So I'm going to complete this whole side of the nightstand with this transfer. So this was my half, and I'm going to attach um, two more damask designs on the right and the left hand side. So I cut out this one damask design. With that, I put it on the right hand side, and I will go ahead and put one on the left hand side and finish off the left side of this nightstand. And now the front. So for the front, I'm going to be picking two damask patterns here, and that is what it can hold on the front. So this is one part that I'm going to put as is, and the other two that you see on the side that I'm going to combine and put on the left hand side. So that ways our front of the drawer is complete, and our sides as well. So now moving to the next step, which is applying the Decor Poly. This is called the Regal Finish. It is a ready to use mold called as poly. You can see they can be molded, they can be bent and applied to any curved section or curved part of your furniture pieces. And this is Luxe Ornamenta. This is another poly that I will be using today. They are beautifully detailed and very easy to use. So first step today is with these polys, I'm going to paint it in the cream color that I use on the nightstand and making them ready so that I can just go and apply it to the finished nightstand. Because I wanted to show each step separately, I did not glue it first and paint it all together. I kept it separate. So now our part one of the nightstand of applying the transfer is finished. So this is the second part, that is the decor poly. So I'm going to paint three polys, two of these and one of the leaves ornamenta in the beige color, and let it dry. It's very important that they dry completely before you go and apply any kind of antique finish or glazing or wax to it. So we are finished painting it, and this is how it looks like. The coverage is awesome. So this is the other one that I will be painting, and then we will be moving on to some detail work. so we are done painting, and now we will be antiquing, adding some details to our poly. I'm using mica powder. I will be using the gold color on the poly today. So these are mica powders. They come in different shades in the form of powder, and I am going to be mixing it with the fusion mineral top coat to make a liquid. So you can mix it with a liquid with a top coat to make a nice thick gold leaf um, solution, and it is oil based. So once you apply it, it's good to stay as is forever. So you can see the beautiful pigmented gold color that we have got by mixing the powder, and this is what we are going to apply on our decor poly and turn it into golden. So these golden polys after painting will be applied on the transfer, and I can't wait to show you. Once the poly is painted and it's dry completely, which takes about 3 to 4 hours, I'm going to secure it, put it on the furniture using the glue. You can use the Gorilla Wood glue or the Tide Bond because you want it to glue well to your furniture pieces. And spread the whole glue on the back of the poly, making sure every corner of this poly is covered with the wood glue. Now I'm going to take it and put it on the sides of this nightstand. So both the sides I'm using this poly, while on the front I'm using a different poly. So just attach it, and I'm going to give it a little press right there and hold it for a few minutes just to make sure it's right intact in that place. And you can see the beautiful gorgeous mica powder did to these brown poly. Isn't it lovely? Oh, I love it. And now just to show you how I'm going to do it on the front, I'm going to put it right in the center, hiding those hardware holes there because I'm not using them, and I'm going to put the hardware on both the sides of this poly. So it is all done, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the mica powder, the liquid that we made, to highlight the details on this nightstand. So all the trim on the front and the side, I use the same liquid, and this is how it turned out. Look, isn't it just gorgeous? The beautiful blues and the golds giving it a French feel. And with the mica powder, I could enhance every detail on this piece. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, learning something new, and admiring the beauty of this French modern nightstand. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time in a next video.